Hello everyone, welcome to this video of Practice in Using Gadgets, Part 1. High-frequency appliances, infrared lamp and scalp steamer are some of the gadgets that are used for treating common hair problems like dandruff, hair fall or thinning of hair, poor circulation and cell turnover in scalp and many skin conditions ranging from acne to wrinkles. Now in this video, let us understand the types, use and benefits of these gadgets. In 1891, Nikola Tesla developed the first high-frequency appliance violet ray, which was used for medical purposes to treat infections due to its ability to heal wounds. The Tesla current, commonly known as the violet ray, is characterized by a high frequency of oscillation, which is of great interest to aestheticians. In the 1970s, European salons discovered its healing benefits, and within a decade, this technology was widely used in North America by skin experts. Aestheticians used it to provide treatments for many skin conditions, from acne to wrinkles and even hair loss and dandruff. Consequently, it became extremely popular amongst both patients and experts alike. Its primary action is thermal, producing heat, and because of its rapid oscillation, it does not cause muscular contractions. Its effects can be stimulating or soothing depending on how it is applied, and it is typically delivered through electrodes made of glass and metal of varying shapes. All treatments should be started with a mild current before gradually increasing to the required strength, and the length of the treatment depends on the condition being treated. When the high-frequency current passes through the glass electrodes, they light up with a violet light containing argon gas referred to as violet ray, which is distinct from ultraviolet ray. Additionally, when the glass electrode contains neon gas, it will light up an orange-red light termed infrared, providing more heat and deeper penetration. Despite the difference in colors, both the violet and orange-red rays have the same beneficial effects. Psychologically, the warmth of the orange-red light may be more comforting to the client. Electrodes come in different shapes and sizes, the most frequently used being the mushroom-shaped electrode. Types of electrodes are indirect electrode. The indirect electrode can be held in the client's hand. Handpiece or attachment or holder of electrode. Horseshoe or neck-shaped electrode. The horseshoe-shaped electrode is used in upward strokes on the client's neck. It is necessary to place the forefinger on the stem of the electrode each time it is lifted or placed on the client's neck to prevent shock. The roller electrode. The roller is used in a back and forth rolling movement over the cosmetic product which has previously been applied to the face. The mushroom-shaped electrode. The mushroom-shaped electrode is used in circular motion on the face and neck. Comb or rake-shaped electrode. The comb-shaped electrode is used on scalp and hair to remove germs from the scalp. It is used in giving dandruff treatment. Spoon or tongue-shaped electrode, sparker or dot point or bend electrode, bar or straight electrode. High-frequency machine work with high-frequency electrode, which are made of clear thin glass and come in several different shapes and sizes to cover various contours of the face and body. The electrodes are removable and are kept separately from the body, which is the main unit of the machine, due to safety and hygienic purposes. When the electrode is firmly inserted into the handpiece, a gentle alternating electrical current is generated by the machine, which then passes through the glass electrode upon contact with the skin. The electrical current ignites the inert gas within the electrode, which produces heating electrical light energy and ozone. Ozone is a purifying gas with antibacterial properties and helps to heal acne and removing germs from skin and scalp. In other words, when mixed with the air outside of the electrode, the current infuses the skin with oxygen molecules, and during this process, a mild tingling sensation is experienced. After massage with fingertips, palm and combing the hair with a wide-toothed comb, massage for 15 minutes. Apply high-frequency treatment, especially in hair roots. Please take guidance of your senior or expert for the required degree and dimming. The time and rates are given as per depth of hair root, type of hair and texture, scalp condition, etc. Give hot steam to the hair roots with a head steamer. Wrap a dry towel around the head so that the hair does not get cool immediately. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Wash with shampoo. Make a hair treatment conditioner pack having proteins, vitamins, iron and zinc. Apply to hair roots. Leave it for 30 minutes. Rinse with plain water. The high-frequency electrodes can be filled with two types of inert gas. Argon gas, which produces a subtle violet glow. Neon gas, which produces an orange glow. Argon gas is used to help treat existing acne and prevent future breakouts. The production of ozone will successfully target and suppress or slow down the growth of acne-producing bacteria. It produces a deeply penetrating germicidal and drying effect to treat the most severe cases of acne. Direct high frequency also regulates sebum production and combats oiliness on the surface of the skin. Neon gas is used in treating aging skin because it has a toning effect and stimulates blood vessels, thus improving skin color. It brings warmth to the area and this promotes blood circulation and encourages cellular turnover. It removes germs and dandruff from the scalp. It stimulates circulation of blood, increases glandular activity, generates heat inside the tissues. We have learned about the following things in this video. High-frequency appliances were earlier used only for medical purposes to heal wounds and treat infections. Procedures using high-frequency gadgets are non-invasive. The enriched oxygen molecules produced in high-frequency machines are effective in helping to heal and revitalize the skin and scalp. This procedure aids in deeper penetration of the product into the skin. It produces a germicidal effect on germs causing acne and dandruff. In the next video, we will get to know about infrared lamps and scalp steamers. Thank you for watching.